Buying a phone under 20,000 in 2025 is actually more confusing than buying a flagship because every brand is offering something different: better battery, better camera, fast charging, clean software, or 5G. I have selected this phone based on 5 real life factors. Number 1, battery life; 2nd, camera reliability; 3rd, performance for daily use; 4th, software experience; and last, overall value for money. So instead of saying this phone is best, I'll tell you who this phone is best for. Let's start with Motorola G86 Power 5G. This phone is clearly made for people who want long battery life and clean Android. Motorola is offering a massive battery which is 6720 mAh. If you are someone who hates charging their phone every night, this phone makes a lot of sense. Software experience is near stock Android, no ads, no unnecessary apps, and very smooth day-to-day uses. Performance-wise, it has a MediaTek Dimensity 7400 processor, which has an Antutu score of around 780,000. It's not a gaming beast, but for normal users like social media, YouTube, WhatsApp, and even casual gaming, it will handle everything comfortably. Camera is decent, not the best in the segment, but reliable in daylight. This phone is made for students, parents, office users, and people who want battery plus clean software. Customer rating for this phone is 4.2 out of 5, which is really good. Here the customer find the build quality is really good. Performance is also got the mixed review, with some reporting good performance while other reporting lagging issues. Let's quickly go through specification of Motorola G86 5G. It powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7400 chipset paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. You get a 6.7-inch POLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. On the back, there is a 50 megapixel Sony camera. On the front, a 32 megapixel selfie camera, both capable of 4K recording. What really stands out is 6720 mAh massive battery, including 33-watt fast charging. Software, it runs on Android 15 with a clean Motorola UI. If you want to check price of this phone, link is in the description. Next up is Redmi Note 14 5G, and Redmi is known for giving maximum feature for the price. This phone focuses heavily on display quality, performance, and camera hardware. You usually get a vibrant AMOLED display with good brightness and solid multimedia experience. Performance-wise, you get a MediaTek Dimensity 7025 processor with an Antutu score of 460,000 and single-core score of 1024 and multi-core score of 2400. Now yes, MIUI or HyperOS is not everyone's favorite, but Redmi has improved a lot in stability and smoothness. If you like customization and features, this phone gives you a lot of control. This phone is best for power users, people who want features, good display, and camera versatility. Redmi got a 4 out of 5 rating, and customers gives a positive feedback around this phone's appearance. Additionally, customers says the phone experience lag during gaming and overheating issues. Redmi Note 14 5G comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 7025 processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Display-wise, you get a 6.67-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus display and 120Hz refresh rate. Phone includes a 50 megapixel main camera and 20 megapixel front camera, plus Xiaomi's AI features like AI Magic Sky and AI Eraser. Battery-wise, you get a 5110 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging. Some extras, you get a dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, a high resolution audio jack, and solid connectivity options like Wi-Fi 5 and Bluetooth 5.3. If you want to check price of this phone, link is in the description. Next up is Oppo K13 5G. Is a very underrated option. Oppo focuses a lot on camera tuning, display quality, and charging speed. The phone feels refined, animations are smooth, camera colors are present, and video quality is stable. It offers a battery of 7000 mAh battery which can last for 50 hours of call duration, 10 hours of gaming duration, 15 hours of short video streaming, 15 hours of video chatting, 11 hours of outdoor navigation, and 32 hours of music playback. With the 80-watt SuperVOOC fast charger, even a short charge can get you through the day. Performance-wise, it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor, and it has Antutu score of 760,000 and a single bench score of 1091 and multi-score 3000. If you care about social media photos, reels, and video calls, Oppo phone usually performs very well. This phone is best for camera lovers, Instagram users, and people who want fast charging. This phone got a 4.3 out of 5 rating, which is really good. Here the customer find the display and camera quality is really good. This phone is good value for money. Oppo K13 5G comes with a Snapdragon 6 Gen 4 processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Display-wise, you get a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and 120Hz refresh rate. On the back, you get a 50MP main camera plus 2MP depth sensor, and on the front 16MP selfie camera with a AI enhanced clarity and AI eraser 2.0. Battery wise, you get a massive 7000 mAh battery with a 80W supervolt fast charging, and software you get a Color OS 15 based on Android 15, IP65 water resistance, IR blaster, Bluetooth 5.2. If you want to check price of this phone, link is in the description. Next is Infinix Note 50s 5G Plus. Is all about raw performance and specs on paper. This phone is designed for users who want maximum performance under budget, better processor, smooth UI and aggressive pricing. It offers a battery life of 5500 mAh battery with a 45W fast charging. It goes from 1 to 100 in 60 minutes. That is really fast. Performance wise, it has a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor with an Antutu score of 6,70,000 and single core score of 1058 and multi-core score 3000. Gaming performance is strong, multitasking is smooth and the display is tuned for speed. Camera may not be class leading, but performance focused user will not mind that. This phone is best for gamers, heavy users and people who want speed over camera. Infinix got a 4.2 out of 5 rating. Customer find the phone to be good value for money with positive feedback about its call quality, camera capability including 4K video recording at 30fps and display quality. Infinix Note 50s 5G comes with a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Display wise, you get a 6.78-inch curved AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and 144Hz refresh rate. On the back, you get a 64MP Sony main camera. On the front, 13MP selfie camera with AGI-C model and AI eraser 2.0. Battery wise, you get a 5500 mAh battery with a 45W fast charging. You get a XOS 15 based on Android 15, IP65 dust and water resistance, military standard durability. If you want to check price of this phone, link is in the description. Last but not the least, we have OnePlus Nord CE 4 Lite 5G. Is for people who want stability and brand trust. Oxygen OS is still one of the smoothest Android experience. Battery wise, it offers a 5500 mAh battery with 80W supervolt fast charging and reverse charging. Performance wise, it has Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor with Antutu score of 4,40,000 and single core score of 900 and multi-core score of 2100. Performance is balanced, camera is consistent and long-term software support is better than many brands. It may not win on specs, but it will win on reliability. This phone is best for people who want smooth UI, stable performance and long-term peace of mind. OnePlus got a 4.2 out of 5 rating, which is really great. Customer find the display and camera quality is really good. OnePlus is powered by Snapdragon 695 processor paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. Display wise, it sports a 6.67-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate. The primary camera is of 50MP and 2MP depth sensor and 2MP micro lens, and it has a 16MP front camera for selfies and video calls. Battery wise, it has a 5500 mAh battery with 80W fast charging, and it comes with the Oxygen OS and in-display fingerprint sensor and a solid build quality. If this video helped you, drop a comment. Don't forget the comment target is 50, so if you have any doubt you can comment. I will link all the phone in the description. If you want to check them out, you can check. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching.